Figured I would say something, passing the time. If you come on over here, we could be on the same side.
Same side, same side. Same side, same side. Same side, same side. Same side, same side.
We are currently in the middle of Chinatown and we are extremely hungry. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we bought a toasty and a pig. She bought a grape flavor pig. I bought a cola flavor pig and we're gonna be chilling here and just eating the sandwich. I bought like a normal cheese toasty. Looks amazing. Like if you're in Thailand, you literally live off 7-Eleven. If you don't go to like the night markets or like the stands alongside the road or like restaurants, definitely 7-Eleven. So we're currently waiting for my mom. I think they are pretty lost, but I'm gonna chow this now. I'm quite hungry.
Same side,
On the same side.
same side,
On the same side.
same side,
On the same side.
same side.
On the same side. On the same side.
We are back at the harbor. You can see right here, or the pickup point, and we're gonna move on a little bit further. We unfortunately skipped that more right there. I think it's Colombia or something more, or Cinta. Looked a bit too expensive there, honestly. Don't think I had enough money to be shopping there, but we're gonna go a little bit further up and hopefully we can find a place to eat, because like I said earlier, I'm extremely hungry. Like for some reason, I'm not sure if you guys, or if I'm imagining myself, but these boats move super fast. Look there. They really do move quite fast. Look there. Okay, now I know about those boats, yeah. But damn it. We are back now at Terminal 21. Get some food. This is some stewed pork with egg, crispy noodles and vegetables. I'm gonna give this one a try.
And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain.
Here you got chicken curry with roti.
Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason, rhyme, and take a time and choose whether we win or yellow, whether we did or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me, you put a little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, this shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game.